Alright, good day class. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about something unique today. We are going to continue from the string methods from where we stopped the other day and keep on building our YouTube channel with these things. Last time we talked about four string methods, which are string.lower, string.upper, string.stream, string.split. Today we'll continue for string.join, replace, find, and count as the case may be. So let's get started. Okay, now let's create a string, a variable string. Okay, let's give some short notes. Let's out it dot join this method combine attributable items in a list into a single string. Full stop. For example, let's use the word okay or okay. Let's use the word name equals to create a list of a name. Okay, let's use the word John, but we are creating as a list. Let's spell J O H M, the case may be. Okay. Now let us print. Oh, sorry, it's a list, not topic. Let us print. Let's combine these words together, these attributable items, into a single name called John. So what do we do? Simply write print bracket. While doing this, put our quote, double quote, dot, spell the word John, then the name of your list, name, shift enter. So that give us John as the answer. Give us John. So we have combined each of these attributable items into a single name called John. So the next one talk about string dot find. Okay, let's give string dot find this method return the lowest index of a substring if or otherwise return -1. So let's continue. Let's define an activities string. I want to go to school. Then we want to find the word I in this string. I want to go to school. If it is there, it will give us the lowest index. If not, it will give us -1 as the answer. So we're going to print at dot find. We are finding putting I. So what should be the answer? Should enter. Okay. So of a truth, I have the 0 index because the first letter in the string. So let's go to the fourth method. The third method I meant to say where's a string dot replace, srt dot replace bracket. Okay, and I assume that we want to shift activities from I want to go to school to I want to go to work. So what do? We say we create a new activities at underscore new equals to equals to at underscore new equals to okay at dot replace. What are we replacing? In this case, I want to replace school with the word work. Okay, so what do you do here? Now print the new activities underscore new should enter. So what it gave us, I want to go to work. You can see that here was school before, later become works. Okay, now let's go back to the next one, which is, let's go straight to the next one, which is a string dot count. Okay, of this method count the occurrence of a substring in a string. Okay, count the number of occurrence of a substring in a string. So how do we go about this? For example, now let's say you want to know the number of times the word zero appear in our activities. I want to go to school. So how do we do it? Okay, go print bracket. Now the name of the string at dot count, then a string 0, and see what happened. Should enter. Okay, give us 5. When you count, when you come to this place, see that 2 have 1, go have 1, school have. Okay, we have 2. Okay, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's why I put this 5 here. See, so these are we create. These are the various way we can use, these are the very additional form method for string operations. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more of this. The next tutorial will be on the next 5 to make it up, or the next 5 of 6 method to make it a complete 40 string methods in Python programming. Okay, for this one, let me just put a note on this method replace a string with a new string. Full stop. Okay, can leave it like that. Alright, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more of this. Have a nice day. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the like button. Thank you. See you next time.